It is now the end of the course, and I have learned I have much to consider as I progress through school and professionally as well. This course showed how crucial it is to include ethics-based care within nursing. Humans are quite diverse, and with diversity comes along diverse thinking. Personal ethical philosophies are influenced by personal identity, which is shaped by various internal and external factors. Therefore, nurses must take into consideration and be understanding of how moral rules are founded in subjectivity. It is not right for nurses to make moral judgments. Nurses must uphold ethical standards of non-malfeasance, beneficence, justice, fidelity, accountability, autonomy, and veracity.